Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy from Nuer Online YouTube channel. Today we are going to make sure that your computer will no longer run slow. So we are going to make sure that we make your computer run faster like before. So there are two ways that you can do if you do not know that. So first thing, we need to simply go into our computer right here, and we can simply press start menu like this one. When you click, this thing will appear, but what we need to do is simply press it and hold start menu plus R. So this one will appear, this one. Okay, so this will appear, and then this is where you're going to write the code, and the code that you're going to be writing is percentage TEMP percentage, just like that. Okay, and then enter. When you enter, this one will pop up this screen. So in this screen right here, we have a number of files which we do not use right now. Some of them, of course, they might be running at the background, and some of them they were already they distribute themselves when we open any program on the system. So what we're going to do, we're going to delete them. So we have to delete the file that are no longer running right now, and the file which are running, they will not be deleted. So let's do this. To delete this, simply Control and A to select all of them. Control A on the keyboard, and then Shift plus Delete. Shift is a keyboard. Shift plus Delete, just like that, and then you select all the file, and then it will tell you that, are you sure you want to permanently delete this 32 item? Of course we are, because you do not need them from the system. So when we click yes, let's see, because I already deleted some of the file. Okay, it said the action can be completed because the file is open in Maya. Close the file and try it again. So this is the program I'm using right now. I'm using Maya right now. This is Maya right here, this one. So it cannot be deleted because it is a program that I'm using. But the program that we are not using, they're already been deleted. So remember, they cannot affect your computer. These are simply a file that extract themselves inside this folder called temporary folder. So they got nothing to do with your system failure, or they cannot damage your computer. So because we already let the file which are not functioning right now, all we got to do is simply press escape. Yep, now they are gone. All right, so there's something that we got to do again. So this is the first stage that we did. Percentage TEMP percentage is what we use to delete the temporary file. So now the next move is calling another code using the same procedures. We're going to simply press menu start plus R, and this screen right here, this one will appear. So in this screen, what we're going to do, we are going to put a code right here. We have to put a code right here. So we have to put something called prefetch. Okay, so this is a code. Okay, so this is a code, prefetch, and then we can simply click enter, or you can simply say okay. All right, so okay, so this is what will happen. This is the first screen that will happen. Let me show you. So this is what will happen right here. So it tells us you don't currently have a permission to access these folders. So what you're gonna do right now, simply click continue, because it is simply telling you that, are you sure you want to proceed with this? Yes, we have to. It is called prefetch. They are simply files that you do not need from the system. Let's say, oh, there are many. My God, there are too many. I think I've taken a week. I did not delete this. So what you're gonna do, you can simply press Control plus A to select all of these, and then next move is we are going to right click, and then we can delete this, but let's not do that. We don't have to delete them like this. So remember, we've been using another shortcut to delete the file permanently, because if you simply press delete from the system, they will be stored in the recycle bin, and we do not need this file. They are not useful. They are harmful to the computer because they are simply filling up the computer space. So they make the computer run slower. So now simply press Shift plus delete from the system. So the same message will come. Delete multiple items. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 249 items? Yes, of course we are, because they are not necessary to remain there. So we gotta remove all this. So we simply say yes. Okay, so this is what happened. They already gone, but one file remain. What is that file? File in use. The action cannot be completed because the file is open in system main. Close the file and try it again. It means that this file right here, we are still using it right now, so we don't have to delete it, okay, or do anything. What you gotta do, simply we can skip this file. It means that all the files which are prefetch or temporary file, they are gone. Now we can simply close this window and then refresh. Now your computer can run faster than before. All you gotta do is simply restart your computer and then turn it back on again. So you will see some change. Thank you for watching, please, and God bless you. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe, and God bless you. Keep on fighting. Bye-bye.